most of the time today, the only time that people ever look at their data is after an emergency. And so the question is, how do you change that paradigm so that data is being reviewed before an emergency? And at scale, when you're talking about 500 or 1,000 stores with 500 to 2,000 live data streams each, that's tough if you're using humans to do that. But that's where computers can help. That's where AI can help, is keeping an eye on that data and monitoring it and looking for trends in that data and looking for insights. So topic of the day, becoming predictive is no longer a pipe dream thanks to AI. So implementing an AI-powered refrigeration management solution isn't as difficult or expensive as it may seem. Just quickly setting the table here before we get into examples. This is something that could be implemented in hundreds of stores really quickly. So there's no new hardware, there's no new sensors. It can be installed remotely. Very fast ROI. So this is not the same as changing out a condenser or doing a gas change out where you measure payback in years. This is measuring payback in months. It integrates really easily with existing workflows. So implementing AI doesn't mean you need to change your contractor, your work order management system, your repair and maintenance processes or approval processes. All these things can stay the same, and it can kind of be folded into those existing processes. And ultimately, this is already being done by a lot of end users. A lot of grocery chains, a lot of cold storage companies are already doing this. So this is not new. It's not necessarily unproven at this point. It's already being used. It's already delivering a lot of value.